But when you came up with your first album, Stand By, what was the kind of message you wanted to put across?
In terms of messages, there were songs that spoke about, corruption, taxes.
Taxes.
So there was this one song that was called "Stab My Wallet," where we released a video compilation as well.
This was how many years ago?
This was 2007.
2007, and since then things haven't changed actually. Okay.
So that's one. That's on corruption.
Yeah.
One talks about being bad in bed and how frustrating or
bad
how
in bed.
Yep. So there was that. There's one more song. That was actually the first song that the band had written, and that does not mean that any one of us, specifically is categorized as that.
Yes.
We've become better over time.
And that's
Practice
what
makes a man perfect, my friend.
Yeah.
Yep. So that was one. So it's more of the social issues. We try to pick it up and try to showcase it in front of the masses, as well as picking up some things on the fun side.
And it was widely accepted. People loved it.
Yeah, we wrote songs about call centers. We had a song that was called "God He Likes to Sleep."
Yeah.
It's like the call centers had just come in at that point of time.
Yeah.
All our friends, what had happened suddenly was everyone started working at call centers, and if you wanted to catch up with a friend, it would be very difficult because you call him in the evening and he's sleeping.
Yeah.
So it was very frustrating for us to see our friends suffer. So we wrote a song that was called "God He Likes to Sleep." Like he also.
So why don't
likes
you
to
sing a
sleep.
couple of lines from the same song? It sounds like a cool song.
Ding 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 ding. Working his ass off at night. Tells me that his life's a routine surprise. Still awake on his free taxi ride. It's his last hope to survive. God, he likes to sleep. God, he likes to sleep. God, he likes to sleep.
So after the massive success of Stand By, now you're all set to launch your album, which is Homeless on artsloud.com. Congratulations for that. तालियां अपने लिए खुद ही बजाइए. Yay! Let's roll the drums, baby. Yeah. So, why are you naming it Homeless?
Homeless can be anything. Homeless is more than a feeling. Homeless is beyond just a house, beyond four houses. Homeless is not being accepted.
Yeah.
You might be living in a house that you call your home,
Right.
but then if you do not have acceptance and respect and support for your thoughts, you still are homeless.
Super cool.
So one point of thing is that the world relates to India as poor, underdeveloped, and with a lot of people not having homes, which is a reality.
So on that note, let's have a performance from the same album, Homeless.
Sure. Yes.
What song are you going to perform?
We'll play you Disco, Revenge of the 70s. That's
Revenge
a
of the
song.
70s?
Yeah.
It's disco?
Yeah.
जैक के मुंह से निकला है कि ये गाना बजेगा तो ये गाना बजेगा.
गाना बजेगा तो आज बजेगा ही.
बजेगा.
Totally बजेगा.
Let's have the performance, Revenge of the 70s, disco.
Revenge of the 70s.
What's up, Doc?
Everybody will move out of the place. Let's get noticed, dance code. But now shake your hip, I'll show you how to put these people on the